Imagine you're scrolling through your favorite online store and you spot a trendy item that you just have to have. But then, you see the price tag, and it's way out of your budget. Ever wondered if there's a way to find similar products at a much lower price? Well, that's where Spocket comes in. But here's the million-dollar question: do you have to pay to use Spocket? For those who don't know, Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. It allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. So, when a customer orders, the supplier ships the product directly to them. This is a great way to start an online business without a huge upfront investment. But, as with any platform, there are always questions about cost. So, let's dive into the details. Does Spocket charge you a fee to use their platform? The short answer is, it depends. There are two main pricing plans. Free plan. This plan is perfect for those who are just starting out or want to test the waters. With the free plan, you can browse and select products from a vast supplier network add products to your store with just a few clicks sync your orders and track shipping. However, there are some limitations. For example, you might have a lower product limit or limited shipping options. Premium plan. If you're serious about your dropshipping business, the premium plan might be the right choice for you. This plan offers unlimited product access faster shipping options exclusive product discounts priority support. While the premium plan does come with a monthly fee, the benefits can be significant. Now, you might be wondering if there are any hidden fees or additional costs. The good news is that Spocket is pretty transparent about their pricing. There are no surprises or unexpected charges. However, it's important to note that you'll still need to pay for the products you sell. The price you pay will depend on the supplier and the product. But with Spocket, you can often find products at competitive prices. So, to answer the question, do you have to pay to use Spocket? Not necessarily. You can start using the platform for free. But if you want to take your business to the next level, the premium plan might be worth considering. Ultimately, the best plan for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. But one thing is certain: Spocket can be a valuable tool for anyone who wants to start an online store. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.